Hello everyone! Today in this video I will be talking about our different pronouns. So what is the difference between he, she, him, her, and his, hers? So first, let's start with he and she. These are the most common ones, and we use these pronouns when we are talking about a man or a woman and the subject is the pronoun. So for example, if we're talking about a friend, we could say he likes to play soccer, or she is an amazing person. When we use these pronouns he and she, they're always at the beginning of the sentence. Next, we have him and her. So for these, we use them when the person is the object in the sentence. For example, I saw him outside today. In this sentence, him is actually the object that we saw. And the same with her, right? I saw her at the mall today. Again, in this sentence, her is the object of the sentence, not the subject. And these usually come at the end or in the middle of the sentence. They can also come in the beginning sometimes. Then lastly, we have his and hers. We use these as possessive pronouns, which means somebody has ownership or responsibility over something. So for example, we could say that his car looks beautiful. In this sentence, we are using his because we're talking about that person's car that they own, they have, they bought. And then hers as well would be the same. That handbag is hers. So again, we are talking about the handbag that belongs to that woman. So those are the differences between he, she, him, her, and his and hers. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.